Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here today and we're going to talk about doing some character design, or I guess working with starting the process of trying to do character design in general. So, I'm going to use a character who's from a game I played a long time ago, and I'm going to try to recreate them. I'm going to show you how I do it to start the process of it, and then maybe I'll do a video afterwards where I've actually gone around and drawn the stuff, and so you can see my process on that. But what I do is I open a window in Paint and I make this big canvas here. So the character we're going to use is we're going to use Ash from Galarians. This character is a villain. So I'm just going to copy, I'm going to paste it here, and it's done. For now. I'm going to make this bigger. Alright, so, and then I'm going to go and I'm going to look for a pose, something that's less this. So we're going to look for villain poses. Something for a dude. Let's see. He's pretty scary, so, but he's also techie. I should probably put, oh, you know what? I like this. I like this. This is good enough. This one. This is the one. So I'm going to paste that into the here. Make it a little bit smaller. Good enough. Now, so now that we're done with that part, the next thing we need to do is he clearly needs new clothes. So it's clearly like Galarians was a cyber goth game where it was like cyber goth is a very specific thing, but it was technically cyberpunk. So there's a website here where it has all the clothes from cyberpunk. So you can find everything on here, right? So I'm just going to take these. Okay, I got that. Oh, it didn't even copy the one I wanted. Did it? No, I have to do it the other way. The snipping tool. There we go. Snipping tool. Do that. Okay, we'll actually paste the thing that I'm going to use. For pants, is there a front part of the pants? Oh, this is good enough. I'm not going to copy this exactly, these pants exactly, but they're going to be pretty close. It'll be the same design, but it won't have parts of it that don't make sense for the character. So I'm going to pause this. Actually, I can't pause it. Oh, okay. So we're going to go back to the lookbook for this thing. And goodness, this website is such a pain. There you go. So now we're looking for the upper body. So it's going to be outer, I guess. Okay. So something that would make sense. So since those pants are biker pants, maybe we look for something that would go with biker pants. It's maybe something that exposes the chest a little bit too. Let's see. Some of these tops are real ugly. Real ugly. Ugly. Okay, I'm gonna stop for a second and not waste all my time recording me searching through these. Okay, I did find what I was gonna look for. I found this. I think it's a little bit weird, but I feel like it matches, sort of, because it has a collar. I have to make this bigger, obviously. Okay, so now I have the front. Is there a better picture of this? I feel like there isn't. It's good enough. All right, now that we're done looking at that and that, we're gonna go to Coolers .co, and it is a website that literally only makes what's it called? It only makes color palettes. So clearly we're going to be using like a gray, and you lock it, and then let's see, what other colors does this character have? Like, I don't think he has any other colors. Like, it's just like I just don't like the black and silver. I feel like it's too. I don't know. I don't like it. So I have gray. Maybe I'll use like. He's supposed to be like an evil character, so I'm feeling like a khaki color. Maybe not. Maybe something like that with the green. All right, now I feel like I've got these two here. Mm, maybe a little bit darker. Okay, that's better. All right, now I'm gonna let it fill in what would go with it. We're gonna play with this for a second. So I find something I like. Mm, I do like that. All right, let's see. Because this would be for his outfit and stuff. I feel like. Ooh, I do like Fire Engine Red. I feel like that's a fun color. Rosy Brown. I feel like another dark color would probably be what I want. Difficult. I'm really terrible at like. It's not gonna give me anything dark. I guess I shouldn't use that one then. Melon. I'm not gonna use blue because I always use blue. Maybe this. This. All right, give me a good color. Sandy brown, really red, pink. Ugh. We're gonna use these. This is what we're gonna use. I'm not gonna spend too much time on it. So I'm gonna take this, copy it, and we're gonna go over back to this. I hope this is not gonna be big. And it's of course it's big. I'm gonna make room for it. Just make room for it. These images are usually really big, but I mean that's what it's there for. Alright, now I have my colors. So this is pretty much it. Like I feel like this is enough. You don't really need anything else. You know what? I didn't look for shoes. You know what? I'll keep the shoes the same. I'll leave part of the outfit the same. But otherwise, I'm gonna see what I can do about this character design in a few days. and hopefully you guys like it. And if you like what you saw, feel free to give me a follow. Not a follow, a like. Please subscribe to my channel. You can look at the information in the video. I'll leave some links, mostly to just coolers, and I mean, Pinterest should help you forever. But yeah, I guess that's it. Uh, I upload videos every Wednesday, so come back next Wednesday. I should have this uploaded in a few hours. All right. Have a good day, guys.